Alright, so I just bought a Rockford Fosgate amp for my truck, and I just wanted to do a quick review on it. I know a lot of people like to see things before they buy it. Hopefully this is a helpful video for you guys. I just purchased it from Crutchfield. It just came in the mail. I've been waiting for it. So here we have it, Rockford Fosgate 500 watt mono amplifier R2-500X1. Let's go ahead and take a look what's inside. Alright, so here we have a certificate. It says total power 620 watts, and really just want to take a look at in the channel power at 2 ohms. At channel 1, 620 watts. It's a 1 channel amp, and total RMS at 4 ohms you got 354 watts, and then at 2 ohms 620 watts, and I am going to be running it at 2 ohms. If you guys want to just go ahead and take a look at everything, go ahead and pause it. But back to the product, going to just go ahead and take it out of the box here. And real quick on the box, here it has everything, the clean pattern circuit input and output. It's more for the clipping. It has a light on there to help you set that. So if this is like your first system, it's pretty user friendly, so you don't blow your sub or your amp. But what else? It got the punch EQ, which Fosgate always have. Don't really mess with that. Includes a remote for the bass control, as well as the wiring for that bass control. And so right there, the rated power, frequency 50 Hertz, 250 Hertz. There's subsonic 15 to 50 Hertz, punch EQ. Not really going to be using that, but if you want to go ahead and use it. And the actual weight of the amp, 4.8 pounds. And this is much lighter than the other amp, so that's something I'm looking forward to. Just a smaller compact amp, which is really going to help out with the installation as far as for on my vehicle. Alright, so in this bag here, you're going to have the bass control along with the wire for it. It's pretty nice. It has a little clicking action to it and actually stops on one side to the other. It doesn't just, it's not a continuous rotation. I don't know if you guys could, but it does have little clicks to it. So that is included bonus on here, along with the wires. Alright, so here is the amplifier, very nicely packaged. I'm guessing this is aluminum, and it's very nice, man. So you got the inputs for your sub, for your pass-through, the left and right, as well as for the bass knob. And then if you have the high level input, you could put that in as well. But really, you're going to have the connections here for your subwoofer. Of course, like I said, it does have the 4 ohm and the 2 ohm. I am going to be running the 2 ohm. You got your ground, your remote turn on, and your battery positive there. But it's just some Allen heads inset into there. And then if you're going to be mounting this, it does have the deep socket or the deep well to them. So you're going to need a long screwdriver to go ahead and set those in, or whatever you're using to mount it. Right here you have, if you don't have the remote turn on, you could have the smart auto turn on, which I already have the remote turn on. I'm perfectly fine on that. The power protect light, the clean out, and then the clean in. So whenever you're setting your gain on your subwoofer, here we have the punch EQ, the frequency adjustment, infrasonic adjustment, and then the gain. So it's very nicely packaged amplifier. I can't wait to go ahead and get this installed. Hopefully gave you guys a bit of information, a little bit of insight before you purchase it. So let's go ahead and test it out.